Good evening everyone. My name is Ananya Jha and I am 8 years old. Today I feel proud to speak about a great hero of India, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, on the special occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti. Dr. Ambedkar was not only a freedom fighter or a leader. He was a revolutionary thinker, a brilliant student, and a kind-hearted human being who dedicated his life to stand up against injustice to the people of the society. Born in 1891, a time when people were judged by their caste, Dr. Ambedkar faced many challenges just to study and live his life with dignity. But he never gave up. He studied very hard and even went to some of the best universities in the world, like Columbia University and London School of Economics, and returned to India, not just with degrees, but with a dream to change the nation. Dr. Ambedkar was a social reformer who dedicated his life to fight caste-based oppression. Before his time, many people labeled as untouchables were not allowed to enter temples, drink from public wells, or even sit in school with the others. Thanks to Baba Saheb's tireless work, laws were made to put an end to untouchability, and doors to temples, schools, and jobs were open to everyone. He played a pivotal role in the drafting of the Indian Constitution. Thanks to him, people like me have the right to education, the right to speak freely, and the right to dream big, just like I am doing today. His contribution was not only limited to caste reforms. At a time when most leaders focused mainly on men, Baba Saheb stood tall for women. He stood up for women's rights, labor reforms, and even maternity leave. He fought for equal pay, property rights, and believed in the power of science and education. He was truly ahead of his time. He pushed reducing working hours from 14 to 8 hours a day. A bold and caring idea during that time. But even today, many people still don't understand Dr. Ambedkar's true vision. They only remember him on posters or during speeches, but forget the values he stood for, that is, equality, education, and justice for all. So friends, how should we truly celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti? Not just by garlanding his photo or the loud festivities, but by doing what he would have wanted us to do. That is, be educated, be organized, and be agitated. Which means study well, work together, and stand up against injustice. So friends, let's not just remember Dr. Ambedkar. Let's follow him. Let us build an India where everybody is truly equal, just like Baba Saheb dreamed. I would like to conclude by a beautiful message. बाबा साहेब के विचारों पर चलो, अंधकार से उजाले के ओर बढ़ो. Thank you and जय भीम, जय हिंद.